Have you ever asked God, why is this happening? If you have, you're not alone. Even one of the greatest men in the Bible asked difficult questions. Job was faithful. He loved God. Yet he experienced heartbreaking loss. He lost his wealth. He lost his children. He lost his health. His friends assumed he had done something wrong, but they were mistaken. Job teaches us that suffering is not always punishment. Sometimes we simply don't understand God's plan. Even during his darkest moments, Job continued seeking God. He asked honest questions, yet he never completely turned away from his faith. The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Those words remind us that our faith can remain strong even when life changes. If you're walking through a difficult season today, God sees you. God hears your prayers. God has not forgotten you. Your current situation is not the end of your story. Check out my blog for more information, readslife.info. If you like what you have seen, please consider leaving a comment, liking, or subscribing. For motivation items, visit my Etsy shop and Amazon store, Reads Life.